Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove downloads and free up your space on your Mac device on the Audible app. So basically I'm on the Audible Mac app, I've logged in, and then on the left hand side there's the library section. Click in there and then we can see all of the different titles or all the different audiobooks that I have purchased on my account. Any of the album artworks that look complete, they look bright, are downloaded on your device. But if they look like this and they are slightly grayed out and they have a black triangle with a download sort of symbol on the bottom right hand side, that means that they have not been downloaded onto your device yet. So up at the top, we've got these 4 that have been downloaded and they are taking up space on your device. What you can do is go to this button on the right hand side of the listing. It's the 3 dots. And then scroll down until you find remove from device. Click that, and then it's going to completely remove the download and free up space on your device. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.